Hi, welcome to the quiz. You will be presented with multiple choice questions, each displayed on screen for a short time before the answer is provided to you. Please make sure to attempt answering all the questions. Quizzes help us to reinforce our knowledge, identify areas where we need to focus more, and improve our overall performance. Taking quizzes can also help to increase retention and make the learning process more engaging and enjoyable. With that out of the way, keep track of your scores as we go along so that you can share your results by writing a comment at the end. Let's get started. Good luck. What is a characteristic of SaaS in terms of updates and maintenance? Developer-initiated updates. Automatic updates and maintenance. Infrequent updates. Manual user updates. SaaS providers handle updates and maintenance automatically, ensuring users always have access to the latest features and security patches. What does PaaS stand for? Platform as a Service. Processing as a Service. Policies as a Service. Programming as a Service. PaaS specifically refers to Platform as a Service, providing a platform with tools for application development and deployment. How does IaaS differ from traditional on-premises infrastructure? No physical hardware ownership. Fixed capacity. Limited scalability. Local hardware installation. IaaS eliminates the need for physical hardware ownership and provides scalable resources, contrasting with fixed capacity and local hardware installation in traditional on-premises infrastructure. How is storage handled in IaaS? Fixed and limited. Distributed and unpredictable. Offline and local. Scalable and on-demand. IaaS provides scalable and on-demand storage, allowing users to adjust their storage needs dynamically as their requirements change. What is a benefit of IaaS in terms of cost? Upfront and fixed costs. Monthly subscription only. Free usage periods. Pay-as-you-go pricing. IaaS often employs pay-as-you-go pricing, allowing users to pay for the resources they consume, reducing upfront and fixed costs. What is a characteristic of PaaS with regard to updates and maintenance? Manual user updates. User-initiated updates. Infrequent updates. Automatic updates and maintenance. PaaS providers handle automatic updates and maintenance, ensuring users always have access to the latest features and security patches. What role does the user play in SaaS? Consuming the software. Developing the infrastructure. Building the code base. Managing the servers. In SaaS, users are consumers of the software, using it for their specific needs without dealing with the underlying infrastructure or development. In PaaS, what does the platform layer provide? Data storage only. User interfaces. Physical servers. Runtime environment and services. The platform layer in PaaS offers a runtime environment and services, allowing developers to focus on coding without dealing with infrastructure complexities. How does PaaS differ from IaaS? User interface development. Virtualization of resources. Abstracted infrastructure management. Limited scalability. PaaS abstracts infrastructure management, while IaaS provides virtualized resources. PaaS focuses on application development, contrasting with IaaS's broader infrastructure control. What does IaaS stand for? Infrastructure as a service. Internet as a service. Information as a service. Integration as a service. IaaS specifically refers to infrastructure as a service, providing virtualized computing resources over the Internet. What is the responsibility of the IaaS provider in terms of security? Securing user applications. Securing data transmission only. Securing the infrastructure. Securing end-user devices. IaaS providers are responsible for securing the underlying infrastructure, including data centers, networking, and hardware. What does the term multi-tenancy mean in the context of SaaS? No user access. Single user access only. Multiple software instances for each user. Multiple users share the same software instance. Multi-tenancy in SaaS means that multiple users share the same instance of the software, with each user's data and configurations kept separate. How is computing power managed in IaaS? Intermittent and unpredictable. Local and limited. On-demand and scalable. Fixed and non-adjustable. IaaS offers on-demand and scalable computing power, allowing users to adjust resources based on their needs without a fixed, non-adjustable infrastructure. What role do developers play in a PaaS model? Security management. Application development. Network configuration. Hardware maintenance. In PaaS, developers primarily focus on application development, utilizing the platform's tools and services for efficient coding and deployment. How does SaaS contribute to cost savings for businesses? High upfront hardware costs. Frequent hardware upgrades. No need for on-premises infrastructure. Complex network configurations. SaaS eliminates the need for on-premises infrastructure, reducing upfront costs associated with hardware and maintenance. Which of the following is a characteristic of IaaS? Static resource allocation. Limited network access. Virtualization of resources. Physical hardware ownership. IaaS involves the virtualization of resources, allowing users to access computing resources without the need for physical hardware ownership. How does PaaS contribute to cost savings for businesses? High upfront hardware costs. Complex network configurations. No need for infrastructure management. Frequent hardware upgrades. PaaS eliminates the need for infrastructure management, reducing upfront costs associated with hardware and maintenance. How is SaaS typically billed? Hourly usage. Subscription-based. One-time payment. Data transfer fee. SaaS is usually billed on a subscription basis, where users pay a recurring fee for access to the software and its updates. What does SaaS stand for? Software as a service. System as a service. Storage as a service. Security as a service. SaaS refers specifically to software as a service, delivering software applications over the Internet. Why is PaaS considered a cloud computing model? Delivered over the Internet. Local hardware installation. Limited connectivity. Fixed resource allocation. PaaS is considered a cloud computing model as it delivers a platform with development tools over the Internet, allowing remote and scalable access. Why is IaaS considered a cloud computing model? Limited connectivity. Delivered over the Internet. Fixed resource allocation. Local hardware installation. IaaS is considered a cloud computing model because it delivers computing resources over the Internet, allowing users to access infrastructure remotely. How does IaaS contribute to business flexibility? Resource scalability. Limited resource access. Static resource allocation. Long-term contracts. IaaS's resource scalability enables businesses to adapt quickly to changing demands, offering flexibility in resource allocation without long-term commitments. What is an important consideration for data security in SaaS? Encryption of data in transit and at rest. No data encryption. Public data sharing. Unrestricted access to data. Data security in SaaS is crucial, and encryption of data in transit and at rest helps protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Why is SaaS considered a cloud computing model? Delivered over the Internet. Limited connectivity. Offline access only. Local hardware installation. SaaS is considered a cloud computing model because it delivers software applications over the Internet, enabling users to access them from anywhere with an Internet connection. What is a key advantage of SaaS? Physical ownership. Limited accessibility. Scalability. Infrastructure management. SaaS provides scalability, allowing software providers to easily scale their software resources based on user demand without managing the underlying infrastructure. What is a key advantage of PaaS in terms of scalability? Fixed resource allocation. Scalability not supported. Automatic scaling of resources. Manual scaling by users. PaaS enables automatic scaling of resources based on demand, ensuring optimal performance without manual intervention. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.